The Mahia by Zulay Kitchen, a fully automatic coffee and espresso machine. It has a large touchscreen with a built-in recipe menu with over 20 delicious drinks to choose from. Every drink is fully customizable to your preference, and you can create preset drinks so you can have your perfect customized coffee at the push of a button. It has an adjustable grinder going from ultra-fine to coarse grindings, and an exquisite brewing process ensuring delicious coffee every time. It also makes ideal steamed milk for latte art. It has a built-in auto-clean function. It's like having your own personal barista in your home. Exquisite coffee at the push of a button.